Spring Bulbs for Schools is a UK-wide climate investigation where pupils get outside, they plant bulbs and they record flowering dates to monitor climate change locally. It started 20 years ago in 2005. When we first started, we just worked with a number of schools in Wales. Then in 2012, we were lucky enough to team up with the Adina Trust that enabled us to work with schools all across the UK. We started off with around 70 schools, which was quite an ambitious start, but now we work with 175 schools, so that's around 7,500 pupils each year taking part in the project.
The Spring Bulbs project, Spring Bulbs for Schools, it follows the same remit every year. So we have schools sign up the previous academic year. So a school will sign up usually before the end of July to take part the following September. The project then runs from September when they'll receive their resource packs through to the following June, July when they'll have the report for the project. So in August, I'm ordering all of the materials for the project. In September, we come together for a week as a team to post those resources out to school. So it's quite a big endeavour to get all of the packing done, get all of those resources and equipment ready for them. They're sent a pot per pupil, a daffodil bulb, a crocus bulb and some mystery bulbs for the class. They also get a folder with the paper resources and some of the first activities, the term planner outlining the key dates for the project, and a voucher so that they can buy peat-free compost to plant as a class as well. All of this is sent to them by early October. They're asked to open up the bags, have a look at what's in there, make sure the bulbs get to breathe, familiarise themselves with the next stages of the project. Then around 20th of October, as close to 20th October as we can, depending on term dates, we have planting day. So every school is encouraged to try and plant their bulbs on the same day and to share photos with us. Then they follow the progress of their bulbs, so they go through an adoption of these bulbs, a naming of these bulbs, and understand that they're the caregivers for these bulbs. So throughout the course of the project, they'll be watching for growth and they'll share the flowering date with us, usually between January and March. And then they're also sent a rain gauge and a thermometer, so they monitor the weather for us from early November through to the end of March. So every day that they're in school, somebody will go out and take the weather and the rainfall readings for that day, and they'll document that and then share it with us at the end of the week on the Spring Bulbs website. On the website then, other schools and other participants can follow the progress of the report, so you can choose schools from across the UK and look at their weather results to see how their weather compares to other areas or compares to your area throughout the course of the project.
We wanted like a positive way for pupils to kind of understand climate change, because obviously, particularly in 2005, all the messaging was very negative, so we wanted a real hands-on way for pupils to explore science but also get an understanding of climate change.